go. Have you started this? You've not started school, have you?
He's in first grade.
Huh?
He's in second grade.
Second grade, my bad.
Second grade?
Forgot booger.
Boy, you're good, aren't you? Do you like to go to school?
No.
Huh?
No.
No.
That dog out there looking
Well, you
in
want
the
to
window.
learn, don't you?
Well, I usually already know a lot of things.
Huh? What he say?
He said he already knows it.
He knows a
And
lot of things. He's
If I
got
don't know
words.
anything, I can just look up in a dictionary.
What
Morgan's
does
taking
Daddy
some
think
second
about
grade
you?
course.
What grade is he
Huh?
in?
What does that old dog?
What does who think about him? The dog?
Is that the one little one?
That's the little one.
Well, this is a big boy.
That's the big one.
Is he the oldest?
He's the oldest. Here's the little one.
Oh!
Oh, did she hurt your leg?
Uh-uh.
She just scared you?
Yeah, I know.
This is a fine feller. You know it?
Mm-hmm.
Big old legs. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. You can be my boy, couldn't you? Huh?
Yes.
He said yes, didn't he?
He did.
Yeah, he could stay here with us.
Well, yeah, he would stay with me. He may come and stay with me when I get up to myself.
She's going somewhere else to get her
we
another
won't-
place to
Well,
live.
we don't want all of them, do we? Huh? How much do you weigh?
74 pounds.
How far?
74.
74? That's about what I weigh.
Won't you get up so you don't hurt her?
Can't hurt me.
Well, he's as heavy as you are. Oh.
Janice, don't you have no cookies or
No,
nothing?
I know.
Huh?
I'm sorry.
They already ate cookies.
Huh?
They know there's cookies and bananas and watermelons.
We're not in her.
Trey wants you to tell him something in Chinese.
We'll come someday when it's pretty and we'll get us a big old big old thing we can eat.
Yep.
Yeah. We'll get one we'll eat it too.
Can you tell Granny bye-bye?
Trey, come over and
Bye, Granny.
Are you gonna leave me? Come here and hug me. Let me hug you. You're a big boy now. Mm-mm. Oh, buddy. I bet you've got pretty hair. It feels good.
Say thank you.
He's got pretty
Yes,
hair.
sir. He's a dandy. He goes to He's not old enough, though, to go to school.
Yeah, he's in second grade.
Is he?
Mm-hmm.
He's smart, wasn't he?
He is smart.
He'll make a school teacher.
Yep.
Are you going to make a school teacher?
No.
No.
You know,
You don't want them little old young
He said he didn't want to be president because they did too much paperwork.
that's a trade.
Them Chris- little boys have a big time at school.
I think he has fun at school.
Huh?
I think he has fun at school.
He does.
I don't know why. This place is full of grass, full of this stuff is sticks to your hands.
Full of sticky stuff.
Huh? Ba 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 ba. You come here. Come here. I've not got to hold you.
You sit with Granny for just a minute.
I want to hold you.
She can sit with you, but she'll probably fuss.
Come here. I want to hold you.
She likes to fuss. You're okay.
Well, go on.
Uh,
Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Well,
He's trying to leave her mouth.
this go on then. This go on then. He wouldn't stay here for nothing.
she doesn't like anybody but Mama usually.
And me.
He's quite older than you.
Yeah, he's a lot older.
Now where's that low?